My name is Penina. This is Ida. She is my daughter. We come from Tanzania. Ida was suffering from sickle cell anemia. We have been here at Apollo Hospital under the care of Dr. Gaurav Karya for bone marrow transplant. We honestly thank Apollo team, Dr. Gaurav's team, the nurses and everybody under the care of the BMT. They have taken well of my daughter. She is now fine. All the complications she had before are now gone. She is now active and her health status is perfect. Dr. Gaurav so far has been the best doctor I have seen around. From the time my baby got sick back in Africa, actually at home, the care, the treatment and everything she has been going on, she has been getting, it has been a bit different from the care she got from Dr. Gaurav, and he has been good. I really can't explain, but he has been a good doctor to Ida, even to her donor when she was still around. They are fond of him already. They are used of him. At some point when she got CMV, at some point I was discouraged. I even thought of asking doctor and the team, they should release me to go back. But doctor called me once, twice, explained everything, and I was okay, I was fine, I was ready to go for the BMT. He was always there when I wanted to ask anything about anything so far on the treatment of the bone marrow transplant. He was always there. Him and Himshika, they have always been there. Anytime I have any question I need to ask, I need to know, I need to get clarification, they were always there. I could call them anytime.
Namaste. Greetings from Indraprastha Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I'm Dr. Gaurav Karya and I work as a clinical lead at Center for Bone Marrow Transplant and Cellular Therapy. We have met a lovely little girl today whose name is Ida Maji George. Ida hails from Tanzania, which is one of the African countries. I'm sure you all might be aware of it. So Ida came to us for curative treatment for a disease called as sickle cell disease. Again, I'm sure majority of you might be knowing about it. Sickle cell disease is the commonest red cell disorder across the world. Okay, so it's very common in Africa. So she was suffering from sickle cell disease and its complications, and the only curative treatment as of now for sickle cell disease is by offering a bone marrow transplant. So she came to us. She had one sibling, and fortunately the sibling was found to be completely genetically identical with Ida. So after a little bit of a preparation, we took her up for transplant, and by God's grace, transplants went off pretty well. No major challenges during transplant, no major challenges during post-transplant period as well. And today she is day 101 post-transplant, and all set to go back to country coming Wednesday. So I wish her all the very best, and I would like to take this opportunity to convey this message to all the viewers that sickle cell disease is as it is considered in a lot of countries, it's not a death sentence. It's very much preventable, I would say first, and if still after taking all the preventive measures, if our child is suffering from sickle cell disease, then it is very much treatable, very much curable for the entire life. And bone marrow transplant is one curative option for sickle cell disease. Thank you very much.